What's good, everybody? So right now I got this storm coming. It's gonna be a nasty one. This don't even look right. Nope, this don't even look right. It's perfect conditions for a tornado. It's warm and cool. Hey y'all, a tree just fell right in the yard. It cracked over. A tree just broke off in the neighbor's yard. Tree just broke off and it literally broke and fell into the yard. A whole big piece of the tree. I wish I would have caught that. I was so slow at turning around, it broke. Everybody, so here go the lightning. Yeah, we might get a tornado today. So I gotta go get my bug out stuff ready. Yep, get my bug out stuff ready, y'all. I'll see y'all. It's getting bad. I couldn't resist. I had to come back out and get some action. There go the eye in the sky right there. That's the eye of the storm I just showed y'all. Yeah, but it's about to go down. We got some rotation right here. Yeah, look at this, y'all. We got some rotation. Look at that. It's spinning. Y'all see that? Got some rotation right there. It's spinning right there. Oh, wow. We got some rotation here. This came out of nowhere. We needed this cool down, y'all, but this is a crazy cool down. We got some rotation up in the sky. We got some rotation. Let me hurry up and upload this video. For the y'all that y'all, oh, sorry, for y'all that don't believe me, look, the tree broke off and fell in my neighbor's yard. That's it right there. It came off of that tree there. He got some free firewood. And the storm didn't even hit yet, but it's brewing up. We got spinning clouds up above.